Hello everyone, my name is Shayla Jae and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I think the last time I uploaded was probably like 9 months ago. I could have had a whole baby. I didn't. Perfect time to pull up my YouTube again because I'm sitting at home doing nothing, and thankfully I did get enough of my beauty studio set up to actually film something and give you guys some content that is up to par, that meets my standards as an influencer. Did I just say as an influencer? But I just took a break from YouTube to sort of recenter myself and get, you know, my life in order. A whole bunch happened since the last time I uploaded, but that's neither here nor there. What we're here for, getting down to the nitty-gritty nude lip combos. I got this idea from a friend so long ago, and if you're that friend, shout out to you. I don't want to misname anyone, so if you are that friend that recommended this lip combo video, please comment below. I won't be able to put it in the video, but at least everyone will know that you're like the greatest. So I don't know if you've scoured YouTube the way that I have to try and find perfect nude combos, but if you have and you're anything like me, you didn't find much. So here it is. This is my collection of nude combos that I use probably on a daily basis because I'm a very nude girl, I'm a gloss girl, but it took a while to get there because nobody has an idea of what nude combos I should use. Nobody has the perfect brown nude liner to tell me about. I was upset, so I guess I dug in myself and I started exploring different nudes, and I decided to collect all that data and put it all in one video and put it out there to share with anyone who has no clue what nude they need. All of them. But to start, so I have 7 nude combos for you guys. Just a disclaimer, nude comes in every shade. And I am not at all saying that these are the nudes. These are just nudes that work for me, combos that work for my skin tone, combos that work for my complexion. And I've tried to make it a little more dynamic and give you some that are a little more universal, a little more natural lip looks, just so I can, you know, give everybody something. Let's just get right into the combos because that's what you came for, right? Let's do it. Okay. So here I am, my face is done, but I am missing my lips. The first nude that I'm going to put on my lips, hold on, I took notes. Throughout this video, you're gonna see me use a lot of NYX lip liners because they are so bomb and so affordable. This is NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Cold Brew. It's just like a really nice warm. Would you consider this warm? Yeah, it's definitely got a little red in it. It's like a red toned brown. You can't really see up here. I like to pull it in a little bit and sort of start blending it into my natural lip color. I have to like overline the sides of my lips because my top lip is smaller. But I also overline my cupid's bow because I have a really prominent cupid's bow, and I think that when I go over it a little bit, it gives it more of like a pout. This is NYX, again, their liquid suede. Their liquid suede line is really, really good. They have so many different colors. I believe they came out with like a bullet form of the suede lipsticks as well. The entire line is gorgeous. They have like a bright blue, they have purples, oranges, reds, any kind of nude. NYX liquid suede cream lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. So that's what it looks like. This is the liner that I put on, and then that is the actual lipstick that I'm about to put on. And I am going to put a gloss over this, so I just like to pat my lipstick into the lip liner. So if you are a matte person and you like matte lips or like semi-matte, because this is more of like a cream finish, if you're up for matte lips, this could be it. But this is a gloss account, one of my all-time favorite nude glosses, and it's by ColourPop. It's their ultra glossy lip in the shade Fantasia. This one's super opaque and it has like a gold shift in it. It's nude, but it's there. This is a very, for me, it's very easy to pull off. I don't have to do much to reapply throughout the day. I usually just go back in with the gloss and it'll get lighter as the day goes on, which I think is pretty, I agree with that. Let's get on to the second combo. And by the way, I just have some paper towel and my micellar water to get it off. And I'm going to go back in with a little bit of concealer and setting powder to get my lips back to a perfect base before I do the second combo. We are back to square one. I threw on a little bit of concealer and powder and highlighted my Cupid's bow again. NYX Suede lip liner again in the shade Cold Brew. And I'm gonna line my lips again. And then we are going to take Anastasia Beverly Hills Bullet lipstick in the color Sedona. Boom, it's a little more pink. It's a lot more pink. And I'm just gonna place this on my lips and blend it into my lip liner. I will say when it comes to blending out colors on the lips, Bullet lipsticks are way easier because you kind of get like a precision tip to help you blend it out. These are the two mixed together. I am going to find my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Caramel. Which one do you say? I say caramel because caramel is too many syllables. Super similar to the lipstick. This is the gloss and then this is the lipstick that I have on. So this is what the second combo looks like. It's a little more pink than the other one. And again, this is really everyday for me. It's really easy to keep up with. I just throw this in my purse or my bag and I go. Let's take this lip off and get to our third selection of nude. Our next liner is a new liner. Same brand though, because their lip liners are that good. I love NYX lip liners. So this is their retractable lip liner in the shade Cocoa. Number, is it 917? Nope, just 17. I will say that I prefer the suede lip liners over the retractable ones. One, because I like to actually sharpen my lip liner. I know some people would rather not. These are a little more creamy. I'll say some people do prefer creamy lip liners, but I like to really get precise with the way that I line my lips. So it can be a little tricky, especially because with retractable liners, the point does get really dull. Let me show you. This one over here is Cold Brew and then this is Cocoa. They look really, really similar, but I promise Cocoa is a little lighter. See, it looks a little lighter, doesn't it, than the Cold Brew one? I don't know. I'm gonna take another Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip, and this is in the color Ashton. I absolutely love this color. But when I am looking for more of like an edgy nude, I am in love, first off, with Essence glosses to begin with. If you haven't tried Essence Cosmetics glosses, their Shine 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 glosses, sis. This is number 05, So Into It, and it's like a really cool mauve brown. It's just like the Anastasia ones. This one's a little more opaque. So it will change the color, which I'm okay with when I do wear this gloss because this color is so beautiful. I love this combo. I like the combo before as well. I consider that a lip combo, and then this is a separate. It's not like the typical nude, the stereotypical nude. And I bet this would look on deeper complexions. Okay, so the next lip combo is super, super effortless. There's no lip liner involved. So I like this one, especially if I'm like on the go, if I have hella meetings. Oh, this lip combo and the next lip combo are more like natural lip nudes than a nude lip combo. I hope that makes sense. You'll see when I get there. So this is the NARS lipstick and it is in the shade Dolce Vita. Boom, it's really pink. I think it's lighter because I have concealer under, but that's okay. Nude sticks, they're lip glazes. I don't think I've ever seen anything more shiny, felt anything more nourishing, seen anything as beautiful as their glosses. I only have 2 because they're $30. So if you got your lip combo, go ahead, pop it in a Nude Sticks tin, and you know, you have it all in one place, and you also have a mirror so you don't have to use your phone no more. But anyway, back to the actual product. Okay, this is the NARS Sheer Lipstick in Dolce Vita, and then this is the Nude 04 Lip Glaze by Nude Sticks. Well, they smell like peppermint, but like a sweet peppermint. It smells so good. When I'm doing like a no makeup look, this is perfect. It just gives me enough color on my lips to not look washed out, but it's not like a liquid lip or an opaque gloss, and it's not like clear, because clear is kind of boring. So I like to jazz it up with my glosses that I take with me, and Nude Sticks is definitely one of those splurging moments that I do really appreciate personally. Okay, so for this for the 6th lip combo, we have another natural lip combo. Hope that makes sense now. This is NYX lip pencil. It's not a part of their Suede collection, it's just their original lip pencil, and it is in the color Nude Truffle. So we have Cold Brew, which is that darkest brown color that I used way in the beginning, way back when. And then we have Cocoa, and then we have Nude Truffle. I'm going to take my Gloss Balm, the best gloss there's ever been. This is the greatest gloss formula I've ever experienced. I love Essence, I love Nude Sticks, but Gloss Balm sort of just like came and took the cake and didn't give a fuck. I mean, and didn't care. I love Gloss Balm. I also have her little kit, and I have her gold one from her Trophy Wife Life little holiday thing. The only one I don't have is Diamond Milk, because I also have Glass Slipper, but I already told you that clear glosses are kind of everyday in the house, chilling, sweatpants hair tied kind of gloss, but it's Fenty and it's Gloss Balm formula, so I had no choice. Back on topic, I'm going to use my Fenty Glow Gloss Balm from and we are just going to put this on our lips. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is about this Gloss Balm formula, but it is, and that's what it is. I feel like you guys have seen Gloss Balm, but let me swatch it for you guys. You can still kind of see it. It has like an orange, like a very warm orange undertone, which I think suits my skin tone very well. Any skin tone, honestly. This is such a universal gloss, and it blows my mind how she did it, but it was done. So yeah, this is the most natural, my lips but better nude lip combo that I do. If you haven't tried Fenty Gloss Balm, that's a whole new ball game. Like, yes, it's a gloss, but it's Fenty Gloss Balm. I'm saying a lot about glosses here, and obviously you can tell that I'm a gloss girl, but Fenty's Gloss Balm is definitely worth it. All right, I'm gonna take this off real quick, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys with the 7th and final lip combo. I couldn't do a nude lip combo video without a shimmery nude. I had such a huge shimmer gloss, glitter gloss phase, maybe like, I wanna say last year. It was a beautiful phase. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my NYX Cocoa Liner. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Crush Liquid Lipstick, and it's very pink. It's more like a rosy petal pink. I'm gonna blend this one out with my finger. To me, this lip combo screams soft glam. I don't know why. Nude is soft glam, all nude is soft glam, whatever. This one specifically reminds me a lot of what I would use for a soft glam look. But we are doing glitter glosses. Oh, this is so great. We're just gonna keep it simple. This is the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Snow Day. And this one is sheer, I think. But it has purple, gold, pink reflex in it. Just gonna pop this on. Did I forget to mention it has gold in it? I love it. The gold reflex with this warm pink color. Why don't I use glitter glosses anymore? Oh, it's so pretty. All right, this is the final lip combo. This is what it looks like. And this is the final lip combo. This is the last one that I'm doing, at least for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of the lip combos. I hope you found something that you are interested in. Don't forget, because I didn't, to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up and comment any lip combos that you enjoy or any lip combos that I didn't show here that you think I would like, and I would absolutely give them a try and maybe even do a part 2. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.